If you found Notcoin, congratulations, because it's going to be listed on Bybit, Binance, and OKX on the 16th of May 2024. But the question is, how are you going to claim it on that date? There are a few things you need to put in place before you can do this. The first thing you would need to do would be to download this wallet, the Keeper wallet. Go to Play Store or your App Store to download this and send Ton to this wallet. To send Ton to the wallet, go to a crypto exchange like Bybit or OKX or Binance. I am on Bybit. Buy Ton and then send it. So once you've successfully sent the Ton coin you bought on Bybit, Binance or OKX to your Keeper wallet, then that means you're ready to claim your Notcoin on the claim date, because your Ton coin is going to be used for gas fees. Another way to go about this will be to use the wallet on your Telegram app. Just check your settings. You're going to see this. Click on this. That's going to bring you here. I've got a video that will be linked in the description of this video that's going to show you how to set up this wallet and how to trade crypto here. Okay, but very quickly you can come to the P2P market, okay, to get some Ton. That's going to display this. Then go to the buy section, click on buy. That's going to display this right here. Okay, so over here you might want to select the crypto to buy. In this case, Ton is already selected. Okay, and then you come over here, use this P2P platform to get yourself some Ton. Okay, and come claim date, you're gonna be claiming your Notcoins into this wallet right here. Okay, so this is another option. You can go with the Keeper wallet or this one. The choice is yours. Tell me in the comments how many Notcoins you mind. Let's go.